Grout super complements a tile. Like if someone tried to sell me these tiles, I'd run a mile, but the owners chose them and I'm using them, tiling the walls and that, so be it. But it's amazing how grout and the right colour grout can complement it, and it brings it up to a first class job, not sort of a second class tile job. I'm quite surprised. The grout being the right colour has brought these tiles up nicely. They're a rough texture, so when you're grouting, all you do is just give it a nice wipe like that. Slowly, don't go fast. You don't have to go around in circles all over the place like a chook with its head cut off. You don't have to go across your tiles like that, nah. Go any way you want. That's with a wash boy. They are the ultimate. Right. Little bit harder to grout a rough tile like this on your walls. A little bit of plastic sticking out. We'll get that. Piece of clip missed. I'm not wringing my sponge out super dry either, DIYs. It's dry enough that I'm not dripping water all over the place, but there's still enough moisture in the pad, in the sponge pad. Oh, there's another. To see me right, you know, getting it clean. Water started dripping out the end, so I turned around my sponge just then. Which means I was pressing a little bit too hard. That grout super complements the tile. I'm amazed. I've amazed myself, DIYs. You know. That looks quite cool. I'm a fine line porcelain bloke myself, though. I prefer fine line porcelain. Nice. Well, the phone's pinging away. I haven't got time to look. I don't think I'm going to have enough grout though. I'll have to buy some more, I think. Because I've got a fair bit to grout yet. All right, people, I'll mix up some more grout. Yeah, it's looking good. Far out, I'll go through it all right, but I'll have this done soon. All right, people, press the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you would. There's heaps to learn, and I'm the one to teach you. See ya. Bye.